Hello, so today I will show you how to remove blocks in Minecraft with commands. Normal commands that are in Minecraft, no mods needed, nothing like that. All you have to do is go to world options and you have to allow commands and to enable sheets. So let's say you want to remove a mountain or maybe do a hole in the ground or remove a house. Um, let's say you want to remove this house right here. I will show you how to do it. First off, we will have 2 points, like I'll show you. We take a block here so you know what I'm talking about. Take the obsidian block or a wool, a red wool we can take. So this will be our first point that we will put the command, and then we will also make another point on where we want the blocks to remove. So we will remove from this block up to this block. So if I put it down here, it will only remove this first floor. But if I put it up here, it will remove all from that floor to this floor, or from that level to this level. So what we do, we go down here, we look on this block, and we write /fill, and we get the block insta here. We just press this one, you can press enter. It says incomplete command, but it's okay. Then we go up to this block and we look on it and we press the chat and the up arrow and we get the latest command we just did. Then we press space and we go down here, we click on it. So now it says fill from that block up to this block. But what you want to fill it with, you may think, we don't want to fill it, we want to remove. It's okay, we just write air and press enter, like this. So now we just remove the whole house. From this block I put here up to this block I put there. That's how you remove a house. But if you want to maybe do a hole, a mining hole, let's say we do the mining hole here, do /fill and this block, and we want to make it down here. Here is good. You don't have to put this block red wool, but I'm just doing it to show you and make it easier for you. I would do this command again, and air. Look, now we got a hole, a mining hole. But you can fill this with whatever you want. You can actually fill this with red wool. Or do we find red wool? Or can you just take red concrete, the first I find here. And now it's red concrete the whole way through. And maybe do the same again. Air, we empty it. So that's how you use or remove blocks with commands. It has a limit with, I think it was up to like 30,000 blocks or something, or less or more, I don't know, something like that. So you can't remove like the whole world. So you have to remove it in sections if you want to remove big parts. But it's pretty big. You can use it like a lot. You can make big holes and remove big buildings and things like that. Thank you for watching.